Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and information about the upcoming iPhones is among us. The next iPhone doesn't have a confirmed name, but early renders of the device tell us that it will have 3 cameras on the back surrounded by an LED flash and a mic. These are of course early leaks as the device is nearly a year away. Apple launches its iPhone refresh in September each year, so we still have about 9 months to go before we see the new iPhones. The 2019 iPhones are still in the engineering validation test stage, and thus some details may possibly change by their launch in September 2019. Despite that, what we are looking at today is very likely as close a look as possible for what the final product will look like. OnLeaks has confirmed to Digit that 3 new iPhones are planned for the 2019 launch, a successor to the iPhone XR along with successors to the iPhone XS and the XS Max. What do you think of this new iPhone camera setup at the back? You can always let us know in the comment section below, and for more videos like this one you can subscribe to our channel.